Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. The top search trends for the month of March. Of course, the college basketball tournaments, March Madness, were hot trends. At the Academy Awards, Ryan Gosling drew lots of online attention. There was an increase in searches for personality tests. And in the odd news category, Google Trends expert Nicholson East says there was a spike in searches for how to make new friends as an adult.
We saw a huge spike in search for how to make new friends. It rose over 110% this month. And then people were also searching Bumble BFF, which is just like the dating app, but for friends. And it spiked over 150%. So people are just looking to make more connections. I think they could probably use some of those personality tests they're learning about themselves to find some new friendships as well.
Sounds encouraging for early spring. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at Gosling. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a Gosling cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosling.co.